Hello guys, welcome back to Yellow App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make whiteboard animation in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we'll need here is we need to open up any browser, go to canva.com and just basically log in into our account. Now if you don't have an account yet in Canva, you could actually do it very easily through the use of your Google account if you already have that one. But in this case, since I'm currently logged in, I'm going to show you how to do the actual animation. So in this case, we first have to create our canvas. So at the top right of your screen, just click on create a design, and from here you could go ahead and choose the size or format that you want to use. Like for example, if you want a video, go ahead and click on video here. Now from here, immediately you'll be able to see your canvas. Now in your canvas is what we need to do is we need to start adding our elements. So first thing is we want to go ahead and add a heading here, or we could go ahead and choose one of the formats that we could use here. In this case, maybe we want to use this one. So let's go ahead and drag it in here. And from here, you could go ahead and just resize the text itself or edit the text that we have here. But for now, I'm going to keep this design here. So in this case, the next thing I want to do is I want to add other elements as well. So in this case, I have this element or picture here that I want to use. So let's go ahead and add this one. And from here, we could go ahead and just start editing it. Like for example, maybe I want to make it smaller here, and from here maybe add other elements if you want to. Like for example, maybe you want to add this graphic here, just to give you an example. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for an application that we need to apply. So in this case, we have the Speed Paint application here. So if you don't have Speed Paint here, first go to apps. Now here, let's go ahead and type in Speed Painting or paint here. Just press on enter, and from here just click on the application, and from here just click on open. Now in here, what we need to do is we need to upload an image that we want to animate. So in this case, at the right section here, we have our already existing elements that we want to animate. So at the top right, just click on the share button here, and from here just click on download, and here you want to choose the appropriate one. So for example, we want to download this one as a JPEG, and from here just click on download. Now once it actually completes downloading, let's go ahead and just click on choose file here. From here, choose our image, click on open, and from here we have the option to change a few things. Now here we have the 30 FPS, 60 FPS, and 120 FPS here, which stands for frames per second. So go ahead and choose the format that you want. Now here we also have the sketch duration. So currently this is set to 5 seconds, but if you want to extend this further, go ahead and do that. For now, let's go ahead and set this to 3 seconds. And you also have the option to change the color field duration. Now in this case, maybe you want to add a color. For example, we want to have a 3-second here, but for now, let's go ahead and choose no color field. Now in here, we also have the option to add hand sketching effects as well, and the fade out effect as well. Now in this case, we only want to add the sketching hand effect, and just click on animate image. Now from here, it's going to start processing your image here, and once it completes, it's going to add this into the next page that we'll be adding here. So for now, let's just wait for it. And as you can see, our image or our animation has been generated successfully. Now in this case, you could go ahead and reposition it in a way here. Like for example, we want to reposition it this way, and from here you could go ahead and start editing. Now for example, maybe we want to remove the first page here. Just right click on it, delete page, and from here you could go ahead and just click on play here, and as you can see, our picture or our image has been animated. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elad App. Thank you for watching.